I'm applying oil. I think you people know amla oil now. Amla oil for the Indian oil now. The amla oil that makes the air shiny and it increases the volume of the air. It helps the baby air to come out more. I use it. My castor oil, I'm out of castor oil. I also apply castor oil, but right now there is no castor oil. I'm out of castor oil, so I'm just applying the amla oil to my hair to increase the volume and makes the hair have a nice fragrance. It gives the hair a nice fragrance because it smells nice, and it also makes the hair shiny. Then it increases the volume of the hair. It helps the front hair to grow as well. This is my natural hair anyways. This is my natural locks. I twisted it until it locked like this. It's twisting. I twisted it and it locked like this. So this is just my natural hair. Don't think there's anything attached to it, or nothing is attached to it. I just finished washing it. I came back from church, I think like 3 hours ago or 4 hours ago. So I decided to wash it to make it smell fresh again. I love when my hair smells fresh, so I always wash my hair 1 week. Once I carry my hair for minimum of 1 week, I wash. Yes, 2 weeks. 2 weeks, maximum 2 weeks, I wash my hair. But if I carry my hair for 1 week, I always wash. If I carry it for too long, maximum 2 weeks, I will rewash it. That's how I carry my hair. So I just wash it. Then my hair is cool and refreshed. My scalp is refreshed. I've washed out all the dandruff in the scalp, scrub them out. I've scrubbed them out. Then I'm just sitting in the fan. I on the fan, let the fan dry it. I'm just sitting in the fan, let it dry. I don't use heat to dry it. I use fan. So when I'm going out, I'll be going out later in the day. I have a carol service to attend later in the day. I'll walk in the sun. I'll walk in the air. Natural breeze outside will blow it. The sun will dry it. That's the natural way I dry my hair. When I wash my hair, I stay in the fan. I just on the fan. It dries on its own. I stay in the fan. Then I also walk around. The breeze blowing dries it naturally. I don't use heat to dry it. So that's the way I've been maintaining my hair. So you see, I'm done massaging it. I'm done. This massage, what it does is just to help the blood circulate properly to your head. Once blood circulates properly, it helps the hair to remain healthy and increase the way the hair grows. It helps your blood to circulate to your head properly and makes you relax, makes you feel relaxed. So I'm done with this. I'll have to go and wash the remnants of the oil out of my ends so that my ends will not be greasy. Then I'll be carrying it about and be touching everything with it. So I'm done with this for now. So just to leave it for it to dry. You can style it anyhow you want it, okay guys? So that's my remedy. That's the way I do to maintain my hair. That's the way I maintain my hair. That's what I do to maintain the hair. I don't do too much. Just wash it. The hair likes water. That's one thing about hair. Every hair likes water. So once you wash it, after 1 week or 2 weeks maximum, you wash your hair. Then you moisturize your hair, you massage your scalp, you eat your vegetables, your fruits, you take your all the things that increases hair growth, healthy food that makes your hair grow naturally. Take your vitamin, drink plenty water. There's no how your hair will not grow now. There's no how your hair will not grow. So this is my natural hair, my natural hair that I'm twisting and locking by myself. So see you guys later. I'm going to style it anyhow I want, but it's not dry. I don't want to style it now because it's not dry. I don't want it to have odor. I want it to dry completely. So I'll just carry it like this for some days or for the whole week. Just carry it for the whole week like this so that it will dry, because I twisted, you see it's very thick. I twisted two of my locks together. Then I now use a band, a rubber band, to band it. So it will take time for it to dry. So I'm going to carry it like this for the whole week for it to dry very, very well. For it to dry very, very well. That's how I carry it for throughout this week. Then the natural breeze, the fan, I'll be on a fan to sit and it will dry it naturally. I will be walking around, entering the breeze, the sun as I'm going out, so it will dry on its own naturally. So just this week I will be carrying it like this. Then next week I will switch the style. By that time it would have dry. I'll switch the style next week, carry it before I'll now rewash it again, to make it smell fresh and keep it healthy, away from dust and dandruff. So that's what I do. Love you. I'm going to see you when next I come around. Kisses. Bye.